Bergamot is also called the Egyptian. Since the earliest time, it is used in the most ancient remedies or remedies used by ancient people. The oil was imported to Europe in the Middle Ages, and during this time the people there learned how to use the oil for its medicinal benefits. In the time that has passed since then, the oil became much more popular in the modern world. The oil has been known to help with many conditions ranging from asthma to acne and even obesity. But the most widely known use of the oil is for acne. When it comes to acne, the oil does a lot. It has high antioxidant levels, and if used as directed, it also is very effective in reducing the growth of acne-causing bacteria. So what is this oily stuff? It is the oily substance that clogs up the pores. It is caused by impurities like excessive smoking, pollution and dirty habits. Even when you wash your face properly and in between washes, you can still find traces of the oily stuff. The oil is a mixture of triglycerides of fats, which are also oily. It accumulates on your face due to excess oils from your body. The oil has been classified as a toxin because of its contents. These can be obtained from certain foods and cosmetics that are heavily contaminated with certain toxins such as mercury, lead and PCBs. It is these that are harmful to your health. Even the skin tonic that we use in our daily lives is contaminated with these toxins. The oily stuff that clogs up your pores are called free radicals. These cause aging and also skin problems such as acne and other diseases. The oil can be used to heal your skin problems. In the meantime, it helps prevent the oil from clogging your pores. So the more you use the Bergamot Essential Oil, the better it works. It can also be used to protect your skin from the sun and other forms of environmental pollution. There is no need to spend any money for the cosmetic products if you take the essential steps to prevent the oil from clogging your pores. If you are not in a position to take the precautions mentioned above, then you should buy the products ASAP. Oil supplements can be used to treat acne. Acne can be easily treated with the oil supplements. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.